This week was good progress. We kept demolishing the areas where we need to work on. Here in the living room, we remove this area here. We're gonna match the floor all the way till the end. In the office, we uncover all that area where we had the cabinets. We remove the shelves and also the minibar area here that we're gonna be redoing. This is where the house finished originally, so this was added later on, and we have the original brick that was exterior wall of the house. Going up, we kept removing walls. We opened this wall here because the bathroom, this is gonna be a new bathroom that's gonna come all the way here, and that's gonna be for that room. This room is gonna have its own bathroom as well. So we uncover everything here. We remove the tubs, cast iron tubs that we see downstairs. Interesting how this vent, it's a copper pipe. They send all the way up. Today we use PVC, which is way cheaper than copper. That's also another copper vent going up. And we also have the original cast iron pipe going up to the roof. In this room, we're gonna build the stairs going up to the third level, which is right now the attic, and they're gonna follow the curved wall in this direction. Here in the master bathroom, we also finished removing all the furniture that was here and the walls that were used as closets on the sides of the top. We have the AC duct that we need to be working on. And this space between the two walls was used as a duct to return to the AC. One of the most interesting things we found in this project is definitely the kitchen floor. And this is because we found so many layers. We first removed the tile. And under the tile, we found this cream and light blue linoleum. And under the linoleum, there was this plywood that was stained with kind of a dark wood color. Maybe it was the floor at some point. And under that, we found what we thought it was a real floor, but it was all patchy. Some areas we found plywood, and in some areas we found a 3 1/4 floor. Definitely was full of nails and not possible to salvage. Finally, after removing that patchy floor, we found a vinyl fiberglassy green floor that was covering the whole kitchen. And that vinyl is sitting on the subfloor, and the subfloor is flush to the rest of the house subfloor. So we can put our new floor on top of this diagonal laid out subfloor. Another interesting point of the kitchen is that the original sink was here. This is where we had all the piping and drains. And then as we uncovered walls, we also found this, where at some point the sink was here. And lately, where the sink was, as we demolished the house, was here finally. So we have 3 different locations of the sink. The new 4th location is gonna be here. So we're gonna raise these windows. There's gonna be 3 of these, and we're gonna put the sink in here. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for next video.